Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this puzzle page of the week newspaper, Saturday, August the 19th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles: the 3 stars Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. So two puzzles remain: the tectonic and the binary puzzle. Yes, this binary puzzle is 10 by 10. Yes, a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. Alright, but this will be number 6951. And 10 by 10. And before start, I always count the printed digits. 25 printed digits. 10 by 10, that means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Yeah, double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. We have also a double one there. Here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Well, between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes in O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes in O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So rest are O's. Then between two O's comes in one. Between two double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one, double one, here no, there no. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, oh wait, first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. That box should be a 1 then, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Well. And now I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order, so we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay, need to think. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, this one I need to think. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, the fifth one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know between a 1 and an O, with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So these 2 boxes should be a 1 then. Alright. Double 1, here no, there no. Double, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1, and double 1, here no, there no. Finish in 5 minutes. Well, without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, a tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.